So if any of you guys have followed my channel for a while, you'll know that I have a personal tractor, and that is a Toro right there. And you'll notice that right now it is currently in a bush. And that's because I haven't started it up this season yet because it has a carburetor issue. Now I don't have time to deal with carburetor issues on my own machines, so I'm just going to throw a replacement carburetor on there, one that I know is clean. Then I'm going to get it out of this bush and then take the snowblower attachment off and put the lawnmower attachment on. So let me go do that. She is stuck inside the mower. Here's the hood of the mower right here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit broken because it was made out of pretty bad plastic, and 20 years of sitting outside has taken its toll. Okay, so taking the carburetor off of this thing is no big deal. I've done it a couple times before because it's given me issues. Okay, so I got that old carburetor off of there. Here's the new one. Not new, but one that works. So the last time this has been run was last winter. Hopefully this new carburetor though will help it run. I got that new carburetor on there. Let's see if it'll start up and stay running. Before I start it, I need to add oil. Okay, so before I try to remove the Toro from its bush that it's been living in for the past couple months, I'm just going to remove some of the hydrostatic transmission fluid, just because when it gets colder you're supposed to fill it up more, and then when it gets warmer you got to take some out because it expands in the heat. So I'm just filling it to the full cold line. Alright. And there it is. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to do before I try to remove it is check the hydraulic fluid. Oh, shoot. But anyway, you just remove this to check the hydraulic fluid. So, let me check that. So we look down in there, and the hydraulic fluid is just supposed to be to the bottom of the threads. Looks like it's a little below, so I'll fill it up some. So let me just move some of the mowers out of the way so that I can get the Toro out of here. Alright, so I'm going to start by trying to get the hydraulic lift to work and lift up the snowmobile chute, or snowblower chute, excuse me. me. Alright, so it actually worked, much to my surprise. Usually it takes a little bit of toggling. Let's see if we can get this guy out of here. So unfortunately the front tire is totally flat. Luckily this is the only one that is flat. But let's go ahead and pump that guy up. Okay, so there the Toro is out of its bush. You can see that the snowblower did not allow the plant to grow there. Alright, so wish me luck. Let's get started. Okay, there it is, disconnected. It's definitely not as hard as putting it together. Here are the pieces that come off. I guess it was a simple process. Putting it on was pretty difficult, especially solo, but taking it off, not so hard. Alright, so before we get the mower deck on, which is right there, as you can see, I'm just going to take off the back chains, tire chains, and then wheel weights. Let me do that. Okay, let's test to see if the hydraulic works. Looks good. Let's put the belt on. Okay, so I got the belt on. I definitely need to replace this belt. Look at all this slack in it. It's an electronic PTO too, so it's not like it tensions itself when you turn on the blades, but it is on, so let's just test it out. Don't know why my dog loves my tripod so much. She'll just eat it and then knock it over. No, Beetle, no, don't knock over my tripod. What are you doing? Okay, so I'll just test out the mower deck a tiny bit. I'm not going to test it too much because of the belt. Okay, so as you saw, the mower deck works just fine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. You can see I lined the Toro up in my little lineup just to make everything look nice for customers. I put the hood on too, just to make it look nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.